Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to update your Teachable application. In order to update your Teachable app, first of all, go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. From the home page of Google Play Store or App Store, tap the search button and type in Teachable in the search box. From the search result, tap the Teachable Online Courses app, and once you get to this info page, if you see an update button in blue, simply tap on the update button to get the latest release for your Teachable Online Courses app. If you don't see the update button, that means you already have it installed on your phone. So that is how you easily update your Teachable app in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.